the question asks to find probability of B, which is firstly we need to derive this formula. Conditional A given B to probability A intercept B divide with probability of B. So the question given that probability conditional A with given B is 0.4 and probability A intercept B is 0.12 divide with probability of B. So we get probability of B is 0.3. Second question asks to A and B are independent. Give the answer. So to find if A and B are independent, we have to change to P. Probability A intercept with B equal to probability A times with probability of B. To find A and B are independent, so we have to change the probability A intercept with B equal to probability A times with probability of B. The question are given that probability A intercept with B is 0.12, but we does not have probability of A. So we have to find the probability of A, which is we need to change probability of conditional B given A equal to probability of B intercept with A divide with probability of A. We already have that conditional B given A is equal to 0.25 and the probability of B intercept A equal to 0.12 divide with probability of A. So we get probability of A equal to 0.48. Probability of A intercept with B is 0.12 equal to probability A equal to 0.48 times with 0.3. So we get 0.12 is not equal to 0.144, which is we have to make a conclusion. Therefore, A and B are not independent. The third question is asked to find probability A intercept with B prime, which is firstly we need to draw a Venn diagram, which is A, we already know that probability of A is 0.48. So to find this part, we have to subtract with 0.12. So we get 0.36. And the same with when we find this part, we have to probability of B is 0.3 minus with 0.12, so we get 0.18. Probability A intercept with B prime is first we need to draw this part, but with B prime, which is we does not include the B. So we get probability of A intercept with B prime equal to 0.36. For question B, firstly we need to make a table for better understanding, which is for male disease is 20, not disease is 45, and the total of male is 65. For the female, disease is 25, not disease is 35, and the total of female is 60. So the total of the disease is 45, not disease is 8. Total of all the dog is 125. Then we need to represent A as a female, A prime as a male, B as a deceased, and B prime is not deceased. This question asks to find a probability of A. So A, we already know that A is represent female. So we just write probability of A equal to 60 divided with the all of the dot. So we get 0.48. For the second question asks to find probability of A union with B, which is female union with the deceased. So we just write probability of A union with B equal to 60 divided with 125 plus 20 divided with 125. So we get 0.64. For the third question, asks to find a probability of A intersect with B, which is we already know that A is female and B is deceased. So we just find the female that have a deceased equal to 25 divided with 125 equal to 0.2. For the last question, asks to find a probability of conditional A given with B. So firstly, we need to draw a Venn diagram, which is this part is 35, this intercept is 25, and this part is 20. So we need to find this. So we get 45. So to find of probability conditional A given B, we need to change to probability of A intersect with B divide with probability of B. So we already know that probability A intersect with B equal to 25 over 125 divide with probability of B, which is 25 plus 20 is equal to 45 divided with 125. So we get the probability conditional A given B is equal to 0.56. That's all from us. Thank you.